Alright, so this little micro switch here gets toggled mechanically with that little plastic rocker arm. Anyways, these switches are measured in the amount of force, that the gram force that it takes to go in and out. I think the out is kind of worn. Now they don't exactly give the specs what the original weight is, but so I had to play with a bag of different switches. Hopefully when I install this, you see the switch is doing its job, so hopefully mechanically it'll turn it on and off properly, so we'll see. Alright, so before this switch is what was not working properly, disassembled everything, cleaned it out even better. So hopefully, if you have any issues where you gotta move the tone arm and it doesn't start spinning, this is where you'll want to look, is on that switch.